Hey guys, it's Shan here, and I want to show you guys my e-portfolio, which is like my academic portfolio. It outlines some of the work I've done so far, and this class is COM 203. So me right here, bachelor's. I'm pursuing my bachelor's in the CUNY School of Professional Studies. So welcome. Okay, so let's start with the about me. I gave you guys a little introduction. Um, basically telling you how simple I am, how I'm pretty much boring. Just to give you guys a little background right here, I give it to you. I graduated from BMCC, the Borough of Manhattan Community College. I received my degree, Associates in Business Administration. I hated it. Business is not for me. So I decided to switch to communications and media in the CUNY School of Professional Studies. Originally, I was going to go to Brooklyn College, but I guess the School of Professional Studies beat them because they had communications and media. Brooklyn College just had communications alone, but that's another story. I want to become a lawyer, I tell you guys. So right now I'm just studying for my LSAT. And right here is my favorite quote. Believing in yourself is the secret to success. And I really believe this. I feel like if you put your all into something and you believe that you can do it, there's no reason why you can't do it. Even if things become overwhelming because life tend to take its course sometime. I think as long as you put everything into it, you could get through any obstacle that you really want to get through. So yeah, believing in yourself. Look, he's touching the sky. I love it. Well, at least I think it's a sky. Okay, so if you click right here at the top on academic portfolio, go right here. It outlines the degree that I'm taking right now, Bachelor of Arts in Communication and Media. Gives you a little brief overview. Required courses. It outlines all the courses that are required. Some advanced courses are right here, or the 4s or the 3s that are required courses. And right here, Introduction to Communication and Media is the class I'm going to be talking about today, right now. So let's go back to the top. Click right here. Right here we clicked. Gave you a little course description. Hey guys, thank you guys again. So basically on this part, we had to outline basically 3 courses or 3 outcomes that stood out to me the most. So one of our assignments was on Silicon Valley. All the assignments are to the left side. I like it that way. Silicon Valley is basically an area in California where a whole bunch of companies operate, like Apple, Google, Tesla is there, and they basically all in one area. I said that made me just think about a whole bunch of jobs and stuff. Let's scroll down. Look at all of these companies. Isn't that cool? I think if you need a job and if you're in the position to move, Silicon Valley is it, because look at that. Sony, Philips, and where's Apple? I don't know, where is it? I feel like they should have a highlight, but it's somewhere there, trust me. So let's go down. Fortnite, huh? One Fortnite experience. So for the class, Professor made us download and play Fortnite and basically tell you guys how crazy it was. I'm not a gamer, so I didn't really business with Fortnite, but my brothers and my sister is addicted to it, and I'm like, what's wrong with them? But it was pretty cool. If you're a gamer, I can see why you like it. See, look, they ready for war right here. Haha, the Fortnite world. Yeah, it was cool. I won't say I will play it again because I'm just not a gamer, but it was cool. And I guess playing it made me judge, gamers a little bit more. It made me appreciate it. I don't know, maybe. Now I'm lying. I'm gonna play it again, and I did play it again. Haha. Okay, and last but not least, we had to basically do an assignment on a social movement, which are basically groups that they form together to support a cause. And mine was the children's movement. I think they're pretty cool. They fight for children rights, infant rights, who's going to speak out for kids when nobody else. People tend to look over children in their opinion, kind of like you're a kid, get out of here. So I think it's cool that the children's movement, they fight for them. I think that's pretty dope. And let's scroll back to the top here and click on my resume. Yay. So this is wait, scroll down. Yay, this is my resume. And I have it right here on my education work. And I feel like this was cool that the e-portfolio required me to use a resume because I didn't update it in a long time. So yeah, huh. And right here is my contact. Here goes my email. And thank you guys for visiting my e-portfolio. And did you guys like the background? It's nice, right? Glitter. It reminds me of me. Glitter. And this is New York City in the back here at the top. I'm from Brooklyn, so haha, it's something about the New York City lights that drives me crazy. For tuning in, guys.